The Knowledge Transfer Ireland Impact Awards are important because they're here to recognise and to celebrate some of the great work that's happening in Ireland.
It's really important, we feel, that there's a recognition of the value that's gained, not simply because good science or good technology is being done, but because there is then a transfer that happens.
The tech transfer offices or the industrial liaison offices are hugely important within the higher education institutions. They perform a pivotal role because they're both inward facing and outward facing, and there's a lot of work that they do to broker relationships, to broker agreements, to broker collaborations.
A very significant number of very able people work away in the background, frequently unrecognised, unappreciated, and having a process to actually identify which of these people have done a good job has to be highly commendable.
When the judging panel was shortlisting the nominations, there were 3 criteria that they were really looking for. A good evidence of a real impact, a real world impact that had been delivered on the back of these opportunities. They were looking for the evidence to support that, and they were also looking for the role that the Technology Transfer Office or the Industrial Liaison Office had played within that process.
I thought that for such a small country, there was a tremendous impact. We had a lot of nominations within the category, and it was a really tough decision to arrive at a winner.
Bowled over by the quality of the submissions. And what we're seeing year on year is a scaling of the activity across the island, across all institutions, universities, IoTs, etc.
Very high standard, and some that might be even, I would say, maybe ground changing or industry changing in the future. You know, I'd be very interested to see and look back in a number of years and say, I looked at that application and now look at that size of that company, and I'd like to have a piece of it.
Those applications that we've had shortlisted are all terrific examples of the success that's been delivered from the research system, from investment in knowledge transfer generally within Ireland. So to win, I think that sort of separates you from your peers. I think it's a real badge of success, and it's something that people should be really proud of.